Do we need a lawyer if we agree on everything? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. A lot of people ask, do we need a lawyer if we agree on everything? The short answer? No, you don't. If you and your spouse are in agreement, you can finalize your divorce without hiring expensive attorneys or going to court. Let's talk about why an uncontested divorce is the best option. First, let's talk about cost. Hiring divorce attorneys can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 per person, sometimes more if things get complicated. With an uncontested divorce, you'll pay a flat fee, usually just a few $1,000s, saving you tens of thousands. For example, a couple came to us after spending $8,000 each on attorneys without making progress. They switched to our flat fee service and we got their divorce finalized quickly and affordably. An uncontested divorce is also much faster. Court battles can drag on for years, but when you agree on everything, your divorce can be finalized as soon as legally allowed. We prepare and file everything correctly the first time so you avoid unnecessary delays. Beyond saving time and money, it's also way less stressful. No court appearances, no legal battles, just a straightforward process. We handle all paperwork and court filings for you, so you don't have to deal with rejected forms or mistakes. At Divorce 661, we make it easy. We handle all paperwork and court filings, flat fee pricing, no hidden attorney fees, 100% remote service. Finalize your divorce from home. If you and your spouse agree on everything and want a simple, affordable, and stress-free divorce, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. Let's get your divorce done quickly and without unnecessary costs.